Good day guys, we are making this video tutorial on how to use our PnPduino ECU, and this is also compatible to the UA4C Speeduino board. First is unboxing. When you order the ECU, it will come like this, and what's inside is our greetings card with QR code. If you scan this code, it will open the documentation page, and we highly suggest that you read our documentation page before you start using our ECU. This is a sticker. This is the USB cable, which is also known as the printer cable. And this is the connector for your wideband. So we'll make another video on how to wire this and use your own wideband. We also have our own wideband if you like to buy it together with ECU. And the ECU itself. So this particular ECU is the Honda BD, which is our most popular. This is the connection for the USB. This is the 64 pin. And check for any damages, maybe during shipping. And our ECUs, we put sticker here, the serial number, and that's it. So we test our ECUs before we ship it, and we test it on an actual engine, running car, Honda BD. Okay, let's check what is inside. Remove the cover, remove the 4 Phillips screws. This is the inside of the ECU. So this is the JDM air conditioner. This is the Bluetooth. This is the processor. And this is also upgradable to STM32. And this is the reset lock for the jumper. And this is the connector for the wideband that you connect here. So I'll make separate videos for each, explaining what are the functions of each. Now we'll remove this board and see what is the settings on the back side. This is how you remove the processor. You lift this upper portion first, and then lift the bottom part. That's it. This is just a regular regular Mega board. the SM32 is also upgradable. Now this is the board, serial number is also here, and this is the back side. So for the back side, you will see a solder jumper. It says 1, 2 for pull up if you are using a switch that uses ground. If you're using switch which has 12 volt supply, you use a 2, 3 solder jumper. If you're using a sensor which has an analog output of 0 to 5 volts, there's no jumper. So in this case, the input 2 has a solder jumper 1, 2, because the input 2 is used for the AC switch, and the input 7. So input 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all set to analog 0 to 5 volts. That's it for the unboxing and the familiarization of our PnPduino ECU.